Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mehak and you are watching Mehak Tech. Today I am going to show you how to fix cellular data not working on any iPhone. Without wasting any time, let's start this video. Make sure that cellular mobile data toggle is turned on. You should check out that your cellular data toggle is turned on. If it's enable green, however, won't work, then turn all data off. Wait few seconds, then again turn on. Problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, then apply the solution number 2. Restart your iPhone. Press volume up button, press volume down button and press the power button. Wait few seconds, then release the power button when Apple logo appear on screen. Wait few seconds, then restart your iPhone. The problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, then apply the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is check for carrier update. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appear on screen. Scroll up, tap on general. Then tap on software update. If updates is available, then download and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, then apply the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is reset network setting. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appear on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, scroll up, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset setting. Enter your iPhone passcode. Network setting. This will delete all network setting. Return them to factory resetting. Tap on reset network setting. Tap on confirm action. Problem is fixed. If all solution is not working on iPhone, simply contact to iphone.com and fix your problem. How to fix cellular data not working on any iPhone is successfully fixed. If the video is helpful, don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for